Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest design tips and trends. Today, we're exploring the beautiful blend of nature and modernity with our top 7 decorating tips for organic modern interior design. This style combines natural elements with sleek, contemporary design to create a harmonious and inviting space. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Use natural materials. Our first tip is to use natural materials. Think wood, stone, clay, and linen. These materials add warmth and texture to your space, creating a grounded and earthy feel. Incorporate them in your furniture, flooring, and decor for an authentic organic modern look. Tip 2. Embrace a neutral color palette. Next, embrace a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, gray, and brown provide a calming and cohesive backdrop. These colors mimic the natural environment and allow the textures and materials in your space to shine. Tip 3. Focus on clean lines and simple forms. Tip number 3 is to focus on clean lines and simple forms. Organic modern design emphasizes simplicity and functionality. Choose furniture with sleek, unadorned lines, and avoid overly ornate pieces. This creates a sense of order and elegance. Tip 4. Incorporate greenery. Incorporate greenery to bring the outdoors in. Plants add life and freshness to your space, enhancing the organic vibe. Choose a variety of indoor plants, from large statement pieces to small potted herbs, to create a lush and inviting atmosphere. Tip 5. Mix textures. Mix textures to add depth and interest. Combining different materials like wood, metal, and textiles creates a layered look that's both dynamic and cozy. Think about pairing a smooth leather sofa with a chunky wool throw or a sleek metal lamp with a rustic wooden table. Tip 6. Use minimalist decor. Use minimalist decor to keep the space feeling open and uncluttered. Select a few key pieces that complement the natural materials and clean lines of your design. Less is more in organic modern interiors, so choose decor that has both aesthetic and functional value. Tip 7. Create a connection with the outdoors. Finally, create a connection with the outdoors. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and open floor plans help blur the line between inside and outside. This not only brings in natural light, but also makes the space feel more expansive and integrated with nature. And there you have it, our top 7 decorating tips for achieving an organic modern interior design. We hope these tips inspire you to create a space that's both natural and contemporary, harmonious and inviting. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more amazing design tips and ideas.